Good afternoon and welcome to 21 Scattergate Crescent in Appleby. This is a 3-bed house that's currently available to let. I'm just going to take you up and show you inside. Now the landlord's doing a little bit of touching up, so there is a couple of bits lying about which will obviously be moved. Just coming into the entrance hall now. So yeah, these ladders and things will all be gone, and there's a little bit of paint in the kitchen and things, but through into a back room. It's got a lovely outlook to the rear garden and a field beyond, so there's nothing behind you. Lovely, lovely outlook. You can see for the sun. The back garden out there is a little shed. I'll show you a bit more from upstairs window that you can see, but lovely little open garden there. This is our lounge room, and then through into a dining kitchen. There's a little porch at the back here. French doors into a little porch with an outhouse that leads you into the garden. And then you've got your dining area here and into a kitchen. So the kitchen's got space for an electric cooker there. And then obviously plumbing for your washing machine, and your meters are under there. Gorgeous views to the front. Again, I'll show you a bit more from upstairs, but the views are stunning. There is also a downstairs toilet. You've got a little loo in here, which is always handy. I'll take you up to the first floor. So like I say, it's got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on the first floor. So to the left you've got this is a double room. Built-in storage wardrobe to the right. And this just shows you what's behind. There's the garden, and you've got a lovely open field behind. Fantastic views to the left as well. And we've got another double room here, which again is to the back, so you've got another cupboard there, and the same views as the first bedroom. Lovely size. Great size double. And then a slightly smaller one, although it's not as small as some single bedrooms. Quite a decent size. This one's at the front. You've got a cupboard in the corner there which houses the boiler. And just see them views from the views of the hills. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's the front aspect of it. As you can see down the front there is parking. That's just resident on-street parking, so it's not allocated or anything, but there's plenty of spaces, and it's tucked away in a cul-de-sac, so it'll be nice and quiet up here. No through road or passing cars. And then into the bathroom here, which again is at the front. A great spacious property, 3 bedrooms, a lounge and a kitchen down a downstairs loo, first floor bathroom, front and back gardens. But yeah, just contact us if you wish to arrange a viewing or you're interested with any further questions. Thank you.